What's up, everybody? In today's video we are going to talk about glyphs. Okay, they are these symbols. Okay, they are all in your Photoshop, but sometimes if you're starting out you may necessarily don't even know that these things exist in Photoshop. So I just want to show you how to do it and how you can different ways you can actually work with them. Okay, so in order to get all these panels here, okay, you just need to go to your window and go to what they call glyphs. Okay, once it's checked, it's going to be anywhere you've stuck it up. Come here and click on glyphs. Okay, and this panel is just going to open. Okay, glyphs has so many functions. For example, I can actually just get this arrow here. These are the ones that I've used before, that's why they are here. But whenever you're selecting the text, they work with your text too. Okay, let me select this text now. Let's say I want to add an arrow before this L. I can actually come here and double click on it and it's going to give you this arrow. Okay, they have so many here. Each one just comes with different font. Like we have this font selected which has more glyphs and symbols, which is the Segua. I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is what we have here. But if you're using a specific font, for example, let's say this let's click OK here. Let's say we are using this one, which is Space Grotesque, and the font here is just going to change. Okay, and these are the glyphs that comes with Space Grotesque itself. So each font comes with their own glyphs. So when people are designing fonts and typefaces, they just develop extra glyphs that actually come with the font itself. Apart from the ABCD to Z, they kind of design some other things that are needed, like the number, the numeric numbers, and some other symbols. Okay, these are what comes along with the typeface. Okay, so we have these arrows, like this one has the Naira sign. Okay, not all fonts has Naira signs. We have these ones for male and female symbols. We have so many. Okay, within this font we actually have some categories within this font. So if it has Greek, for example, if this font has Greek, okay, it's just this feature is just to bring out the Greek symbols of this typeface, which is Space Grotesque. So if they have something like math symbols, it's going to filter it and give you the math symbol of Space Grotesque. Okay, if they have something like, let's say, anything, all this category, you just need to go through the, let's say, currency. Okay, these are the currency here. Okay, we even have Bitcoin on Space Grotesque. Okay, I want to change the font now to something else. I noticed that some of these things may not be here. Okay, let's change this font to, let's just change it to something else. Maybe let's use this fair display. Play fair display. Okay, I can see that the currency here are reduced because these are actually the ones that came along with this specific font. Okay, so and so these are the filter, just like I've said. But if you want something like, you want more versatile glyphs, okay, what I mainly do is to come to this Segual, this one, and not this one, just this one. Okay, this emoji, Noto color emoji. Let me show you this one first. Okay, I want to go to, okay, this one has the entire font. I'm selecting the entire font, and you can see that this one doesn't have all the filters as we saw in Grotesque, so the filter also matters. Okay, so let's check the entire font and we are going to see everything here. So this one kind of has color, so you can actually just take, remember, before you can make it work, make sure you select your text and maybe select a particular character, or you put it in between a particular character and just click on the glyphs that you want, and it's just going to select. Okay, for example, now we've brought this one in now. So that is how you actually go through all of those ones. So you can try, remember, your typeface actually affects what you see. And if you want to bring anything in here, make sure to double click. Okay, if you click once, it's not going to work. Okay, so you can use your arrow, any one that you want. So you can go through the entire library. I think this UI emoji has the highest. Okay, most times I don't use this one for bullet pointing and everything in between. Okay, remember, if you want to get it, is window glyphs. Okay, and you have everything here. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notifications so that you get notified whenever I drop new videos. And today is the 71 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.